visited Baraboo, Wisconsin, where they had the Circus World, the Circus Museum. Can you believe it? I never imagined they had a Circus Museum, and it's amazing. We had so much fun. I just remember so much of when I was a young kid, and I just love it to share all those experiences with my kids who also loved it. This show that is over an hour and with music from the 60s that I sung the whole time. It was such a great experience. My son Jorge, who is 4, you have no idea how much he laughed with the clowns and how much he enjoyed it. They have amazing exhibitions. Can you imagine these old cars, circus cars with more than 100 years in that exhibition? It was such a nice experience. You really have to go to the Circus World. It's only 3 hours away from Chicago, so really, it's just you can go make the trip, stay there the whole day, sleep over, and then come back to Chicago next day. Or if you are strong enough, you can just go back and forward the same day. But you have to do it. Really, kids enjoy it like crazy. And if your parents are around, take them. You have no idea. I was very surprised to see that there were like young kids, their parents, but so many elderly people. And I was like, of course, if I have good memories from the circus, I can imagine how my parents will enjoy a place like this. So it's for every age. Go and enjoy in Baraboo, Wisconsin, the Circus World. You can check out all the information and important tips to visit this place at spicylatinamom.com. Just look for the Circus World post, and you can have all the information, prices, and wherever you need to visit. Ciao!